Alright, so here one more thing I will tell you. If you click on this title also, few of the job portals will count it as 1 unit. It will deduct 1 unit from number of allotted resume views you have. Okay, so check, be careful. Alright, so don't waste the resume views. And just by just clicking any resume, any haphazard or unrequired resume and lose your previous precious data. Okay, like precious availability. So I have already explained you similar resumes also. So this is also one way where you can find more candidates. Right? Now, important thing in recruitment is maintaining the data, the Excel sheet. So as I mentioned you in the website, I will be training you a little bit on Excel sheet also. So here I'm going to train you on the Excel sheet which is required for us to maintain. Okay. Now, because we have to do a little fast work while you are recruiting. Sometimes the ratio is like you have called 50 people and like only 20-25 answered, and out of which you'll understand like only 2 or 3 people are suitable, and out of them only one is interested. So sometimes it does also happen. So you need to have more data. Okay. So open an Excel sheet. So rename the Excel sheet. Okay. Now here you have Excel sheet 1, Excel sheet 2, Excel sheet 3. So here you can rename client 1. Suppose client 1 is like ABC. Just write it over here. Client name is like 123. Right over here. So like that you can maintain different sheets. Okay. Now always on the top of the requirement, mention the client name again. Okay. And then mention anything that you want to make important. Okay. That you should know this before you call anybody. So that part you can maintain over here, and then make a what do you call this? The categories, like what all would you require to make note of. Name, you can go with date. Okay, name, and then phone number, then experience. If required, you can make note of education, and or you can do it like you can do it education and then experience, and then over here you can mention like salary, and then you can mention as status. What happened? Whether you have called that guy is has answered the call, whether he was interested, whether he is not interested, whether he said don't call me again, whether he said interested, yes, call me. So all that status you can maintain over here. I will give you some shortcuts. Follow this; it will help you a lot. Okay. NA is NA means not answer. Okay. You called him, nobody responded. Next, NI is not interested. You called him, he said, I'm not interested for this job. And then interested. He is interested and suitable for this job. Okay. INT. You can use this shortcuts. And then CV. Like he said, you called him, but he said call you, call him back. So you can put it as CV. Okay. How those particular shortcuts are going to help you, I will show you in further videos, but follow this. Okay. So always mention the status, whether he said to call back after 2 days. Somebody says, no, I want more package. So just mention needs more package. Talk to client. Okay. Someone says, okay, I'm going for the interview, but I want it on Saturday. Goes for interview on Sat. Okay. Sketch interview, like this. So maintain the status. This is very useful for you. If you forget maintaining status, then after some days, if you are when you are seeing opening the Excel sheet and trying to understand what is the status